It won't stay because of the wind. Don't worry. Do it inside. Swagatam Gurudev. Swagatam Gurudev. Swagatam Gurudev. Swagatam Jai Gurudeva, Jai Gurudeva, Gurudeva, Jai Gurudeva, Gurudeva, Jai Gurudeva, Jai Jai Krishna Rama Rama Andrew
How long are you singing?
How long? When I came, they already started. How long? An hour. 45 minutes, 1 hour.
Kirtan. Who was singing?
Singing Prabhuji, only you singing Radhe Jai Jai.
They sent to you. They sent it to you.
I don't know who was singing.
No, only about the house. What you singing?
Krishna
Gabru.
I didn't.
They're singing one more thing.
राधे जय जय माधव दैते राधे जय जय माधव दैते गोकुल तारुणी मंडल मोहिते
Lalita Ashtakam, today is Lalita Saptami, so you have to sing. Have your mic. You have the mic.
महाराज जी माइक चार्ज नहीं हो रहा ये तो
Lalita show all together.
Lalitam Namaminandanam
ज्ञानञ्जनाश्लाकया चक्षुरुमिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः।
माइक नहीं, आपको माइक कहाँ गया?
मेरा माइक घर पर है।
आया पीछे माइक की कल जाना चाहिए।
I'd like to offer my unedited Dandava pranams to the Lord Sweet Master Krishna Master Nitya, the first Mishtakara, that's the Tarashishun, Bhaktivedanta Nagar Goswami Maharaj, and to the Lotus Feet of Shripa Bhaktivinoda Ram Goswami Maharaj, who is present here with us today. So today is the very auspicious day of Lalita Saptami. She's one intimate Sakhi of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, having the desire to please Krishna, and knowing Krishna's desire, all of Krishna's desires, he knows that Krishna is not satisfied by one consort, Srimati Radhika. He's only pleased by many consort. Bahu Kanta Vina Ras Ulas Nahi, which means that he cannot relish the maximum amount of moods without having many consorts. So Srimati Radhika, she manifests herself into many different consorts that will please Krishna. And of the principal Sakhis, of the 8 principal Sakhis, Lalita is the topmost. She's the head of the Gan of Srimati Radhika's group. And she's the Lalit mood of Srimati Radhika. So whatever pastimes, sweet pastimes that Radha and Krishna perform are enhanced by the presence of Lalita Devi. Lalita Devi particularly, she is in a contrary mood, in a very left-wing mood, and she's very staunch and very stern, And she very often, chastises Srimati Radhika for being so soft-hearted and so gentle and so kind and so forgiving Krishna. But Krishna, she tells Srimati Radhika that Krishna is cunning and crooked. Don't hear his words. Don't listen to him. Don't do as he says, and be a little bit strong and tough. So she protects Srimati Radhika being taken advantage of by Krishna. So she tells him, Lalita Devi tells Srimati Radhika, you have to be stern, you have to keep your man, don't break your man so easily. If Krishna comes to you and begs for forgiveness, don't forgive him, don't give in. So in this way Lalita helps Srimati Radhika. She trains Srimati Radhika on how to rendezvous with Krishna. She arranges little tests for her, like she blindfolds Srimati Radhika at night time, and in the forecourt she puts sharp pebbles and stones, and she puts, because the ground is covered with cow dung, and when you put water on cow dung, the ground becomes very wet, and so when it becomes slippery. So when Srimati Radhika has to go in the middle of the night to meet with Krishna, she has to be trained. She has to be careful that she will pass all the obstacles of the sharp stones, of the slippery ground, of the muddy ground. And Lalita Devi, she trains Srimati Radhika in this way by putting a blindfold in her eye, because it's dark at night, she can't see where she's going. And she doesn't know where she's going to step, so she has to maneuver between all the obstacles that are in front of her and the slippery ground. So Lalita Devi helps Srimati Radhika in this way. She's, if I may take permission just to read the translation of the Lalita Ashtakam that we read, that would be helpful. If you'd like to follow on page 303, the Lalita Ashtakam that we have just sang. Sorry. Her body is engaged in wiping away glittering drops of perspiration from the lotus feet of Shri Radha Madhav. In superlative Shrita Ras, she always remains independent. I offer pranam unto the bold and fearless of charming qualities. Her beautiful face, the brilliance of the full. Her lovely eyes are restless, like those of the purple dove. She is renowned for her extraordinary expertise in the art of dressing Srimati Radhika. I offer pranam unto Lalita Devi, who is a repository of charming qualities. Her silk dress is as beautiful as the wonderfully multicolored feathers of an ecstatically dancing peacock. Her body is nicely adorned with various kinds of jeweled ornaments and a bodice. Her golden complexion defeats the luster of Gauracharya. Gauracharya is a bright yellow pigment used for painting, dyeing and tilak. I offer pranam unto Lalita Devi, who is a repository of charming qualities. O Kalankini, unchaste one, Rajendra Nandan is very cunning, so be firm in your contrariness. Don't give in to gentle submission, rather. Listen to these beneficial words. In this way she gives instructions. I offer pranam unto Lalita Devi, who is a repository of charming qualities. Upon hearing Rajendra Nandan speak even a few crafty words to Srimati Radhika, her eyes become red with fury, and she immediately addresses him with sarcastic words, such as, "You are so truthful, simple-hearted, and such a chaste lover," thus embarrassing him. I offer pranam unto Lalita Devi, who is a repository of charming qualities. She is the resting place of the Vatsalya Ras of Gauraraj Nanda's queen, Sri Yashoda Devi. As the instructing guru of all the Sakhis, she teaches them the art of friendship. She is very simple. She is the very life of Srimati Radhika and of the younger brother of Baladev, meaning Krishna. I offer pranam unto Lalita Devi, who is the repository of charming qualities. Upon seeing any young maiden anywhere in Braj and discerning that she is inclined towards Rishabhanu Nandini, Lalita immediately fulfills all of that maiden's internal desires and makes her life successful. I offer pranam unto Lalita Devi, who is a repository of charming qualities. Her primary engagement is providing pleasure to Srimati Radhika and Rajendra Nandan by arranging their meetings, which she considers to be the best of all festivals. She is the foremost among all Priya Sakhis of Gokul. I offer pranam unto Lalita Devi, who is a repository of charming qualities. One who, with a cheerful and pure heart, recites these 8 verses in praise of Lalita Devi, being inclined towards her, then she immediately takes her and offers her at the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika and engages her in the service of the divine couple. So she's very soft-hearted, very directive, but in this way she's very caring. She cares very much for Srimati Radhika's well-being. And the spiritual master is in the same way. He's very hard and strict on us outside, but inside there he has a very soft heart, kind heart, and he has the best intentions for her. So she's also like a guru to us, Lalita Devi. And there are many more glorifications of Lalita Devi, of course, but without any realization of any of that, I cannot speak anymore. I'm only repeating the words of my Gurudev and Srila Maharaj, and I pray for the blessings of Lalita Devi on this day, that I may understand her glories, so one day that she may take me and offer me in the service of Srimati Radhika and the divine couple. Vancha Kalpatarvyascha Kripa
क्या बोलेंगे?
चार्ज में रखा था, भूल गया रात में चार्ज करने से।
कहाँ इधर रखा है?
यहाँ चार्ज में रखा है, देखता हूँ चार्ज में होगा।
You are saying you did not bring, तो चार्ज में रखा है गाड़ी में।
वो चार्जिंग हो रहा है।
अच्छा चल। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो। वंशाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीना अपराधलक्ष्ये respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas and presented all of my
Bhaktivinoda Goswami Maharaj ki
Jai. So we are very happy to come in the house of
Ravindra Prabhu.
Ravindra Prabhu and his
Damayanti Didi.
Damayanti Didi. They are very so kind to us, giving shelter and to give opportunity to speak Hari Katha. So, just I want to speak few words. Because today is super excellent auspicious day. You know, today is the appearance day of Lalita Devi. Lalita Devi Avirbhav Tithi, and who is the prominent 8 Sakhis, the prominent one of the prominent 8 Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Lalita Devi is very prominent Sakhi. And for this regard, in her pranam mantra also explain this: Lalita cha Visakha cha Chitra Champaka Vallika Ranga Devi Sudevi cha Tunga Viddetu Rekhika Etabho Ashtasakibhascha Sadatascha Namo Namaha Tathapi Mamo Sarvasa Lalita Sarva Vandita. In her pranam mantra, Lalita Devi pranam mantra, they are explained Srimati Radhika's 8 prominent Sakhis. That is called Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra or Champaklata. Ranga Devi, Sudevi, Tungavidya or Indurekha. Etabho Ashashakipascha Sadancha Namo Namo. I also pay my obeisances and all the 8 Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. But Tathapi Mamo Sarvasya Lalita Sarvabandita. But I always remember to Lalita Devi, and because she is very prominent Sakhi of Srimati. So Tathapi Mamo Sarvasya Lalita Sarvabandita. Lalita Devi is Sarvabandita. Because Lalita Devi, she is called the topmost Sakhis among of the 8 Sakhis of Srimati. Very powerful Sakhi. Her mood is called which mood? Very talkative. That is called Ragalbha, Rakhara. Rakhara. Rakhara means who is very talkative. And see, where she is there, even Krishna also afraid from her. And if Krishna looks, Lalita is there, then Krishna is very humble. And because Lalita is Prakhara. And if one Prakhara means is very talkative. One Krishna and defeat to all the Sakhis, very easy. But not so easy to defeat to Lalita Devi. And another thing is, so Lalita Devi, she is called also 27 days older than Srimati Radhika. So today is Lalita Devi's birthday. But you may be saying, okay, tomorrow will be Radhashtami. So how possible will be 27 days? She is older than Srimati Radhika. Actually, this is called Kalpa Vedeswari Katha. Vivinna Kalpa. Kalpa, understand? One day of Brahma, that is called Kalpa. And in the in this way, Srimati Radhika, when she born before
Ela nasceu
Lalita Devi, she was born
antes de nascer Lalita Devi.
at least how many days?
27
27 days.
27 dias antes.
27 days. So, in this way, you can
Dessa
also
maneira,
understand the meaning of the Shastra.
o significado do Shastra,
Because what Vasudev is written, and you cannot
o que Vyasa escreveu,
argue with it.
não pode discutir, argumentar.
Because even there are so many Puranas
Existem tantos Puranas,
and different kalpas,
tem Kalpa,
Katha is also
diferentes,
there.
existe o Katha de
Eh?
várias Kalpas.
As like today also people they also
Porque também
say
hoje
Baladev
as
Chhat
pessoas
also. And already we
celebram Baladev.
celebrate Baladev
A gente
Punim.
já celebrou
But
Baladev
if you
Punim.
go Mathura,
Mas se você for para
some
Mathura,
people they also
algumas
celebrate
pessoas,
Baladev Prabhu.
elas celebram
But they are saying this.
Baladev Chhat.
Actually, this thing also how they are. There is also described in also one Grantha also, Garga Samhita. They explain this way. Because I am saying these things. Because Vasudev, he wrote all these Granthas,
Escreveu todos esses
and
livros,
different kalpas of Krishna.
diferentes Kalpas de Krishna.
Hey, different kalpa of Brahma. Hey, Brahma. So different kalpas katha is. For this we are saying, this is kalpa vedesu Hari Katha. Hey, these things. So don't you argument, and you should not doubts in your heart. What Shastra is saying, you have to accept. This is very important. Otherwise, tarkat or pratishthanat, you cannot establish a philosophy with the logic or arguments. So saying tarkat or pratishthanat. Whatever Mahajan, they are saying you have to accept. Mahajanu gato sa pantha. So now coming in this way, Lalita Devi, she is very expert. So all kinds of service of Srimati Radhika and Krishna. Very expert. For this regard, she is the guru of all the Sakhis also. Understand? He is guru. Guru means who is expert all kinds of service. Seva. They are all very expert, all qualified in many different ways. Here they have their specific and prominent seva service. It has described in Shastra. Lalita Devi, what kinds of service and other Sakhis are? Sri Krishna Bhavnamrita Grantha Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained. Listen very carefully. Tambule Lalita Devi Kurpure Visakha Chamare Champaglata Chitra Vasana Sevane Range tu Ranga Devis Icham Sudevi Jala Sevane Nana Badde Tunga Vidya Cha Indulekha Cha Nartane. Ashtasakhi's prominent service has described in Sri Krishna Bhavnamrita. Very nice beautiful. Sri Lalita Devi offers tambur. Tambur means guitar. And Visakha Devi offers Korpur Seva. Korpur Seva understand? Korpur means camphor service. And Champaglata offers shamar, fan. Chitra Devi decorates and dresses the divine couple. Ranga Devi sings very sweet melodies. Asudevi offers cool, refreshing water. Sri Tungavidya Devi and plays various types of musical instruments. Indulekha Devi and gives pleasure to the dance couple by dancing. And this way we have also Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained. Maybe you can ask, what is the significance to offering Tambul Seva? Tambul understand? Offering? This is the art also. different come arts. Just give an example, Rupa Goswami Pad explains in his Granthas how Lalita Devi she prepared different kinds of tambul. Tambul means betel. This is art. So here explain in this way. Lalita Devi she always serves different Radha and Krishna. Srimati Radhika, 3 types of Sakhis also. Again, we see. According to their mood. One is called 3 types of Sakhis. According to their Nishtha, they are Sakhis. Some Sakhis they are called Krishna Nishtha Sakhis. Understand? Or some Sakhis they are called Ubhay Nishtha. Both. They are Nishtha, both Radha and Krishna. Or some Sakhis they are Nishtha only Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Nishtha. So Lalita Devi also actually all the 8 Sakhis they are called Ubhay Nishtha. Ubhay means both. They have Nishtha both Radha and Krishna. But little bit they also what is called? Inclined towards Srimati Radhika. But Ashtasakhi they serve to Krishna and Radha. So that is called Ubhay Nishtha Sakhi. Or some Sakhi they are called Krishna Nishtha. Krishna Nishtha Sakhi they also serve Radha and Krishna. But they are Nishtha inclined towards Krishna. That is called Brinda, Bindadika, Dhanishta. They are called Krishna Nishtha Sakhi. Because you have to learn these things according to Nishtha. Or another is called Radha Nishtha. Yesterday I told. Those who are the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika's Radha Nishtha, they are Nishtha only inclined towards Srimati Radhika. That means they never independently, separately meet with Krishna. They serve also Krishna, this is true. That's why making the garland and offering to both. As that Narottam Das Thakur singing this song. Gatiya ma lotir mala diva duhar gole diva duhar gole adhare tuliya diva. This is servicing. Servicing also both Radha and Krishna. But everything depends on their Nishtha. Just give an example, just lady. She has Nishtha with her husband. But she also serves her mother-in-law, father-in-law. In the family, everybody services. But her Nishtha with her husband. Satinal. This is the symptom. In the same way, Gopis, how they have Nishtha. So now coming in this way, everything depends on Nishtha. Another that is called Radha Snehadika. Manjaris means also they have Radha Snehadika. Sneha Adhika Snehadika. Sneha means love and affection. Love and affection towards Srimati Radhika. So that is called Radha Snehadika. Radha Snehadika of the Manjaris they are. So in Javadharma Branta Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this. Nishtha, Snehadika, everything depends on the Manjaris bhav. So Lalita Visakha, Ashtasakhi, Lalita Visakha, Sudevi, Rangadevi, Chitra, Champaklata, Rangadevi, all they are Ashtasakhi there. They are actual non-dependent from Srimati Radhika. Ananda Chinima Rasa Pratibha Vistarur Eva Nijo Rupa Taya Kalabhi. In Brahma Samhita, Eh? But Srila Jiva Goswami Pad in his commentary explained that Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. This is true. Eh? But without many consorts, Krishna will not happy. Eh? Krishna is called Rasik. He is the best connoisseur. Eh? He is relishing all kinds of rasa. Eh? Just give an example, one very greedy person. That Sanskrit word they get Bhojan Loluk. What is it? Bhojan Loluk. Loluk is greed. Eat. Eh? I like Madhumanga. Many kinds of, he likes many kinds of preparation. Eh? But if you give one preparation, he will be happy or not? No. Eh? In the same way, Krishna, he likes many kinds of preparation. So you are saying, Bahu Kanta Bina Nahi Rasero Ullas. Without many consorts, Krishna is not happy. Though Srimati Radhika can fulfill all the desires of Krishna, Srimati Radhika, only Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. Akali Radha Jane Krishna Hriday, Chaitanya Chaitanya. Only Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. And Srimati Radhika's this types of qualities, all-knowing power, these things also manifested in the heart of the Manjari. For this regard, Rupa Manjari, she serves to Srimati Radhika. Or in Mahaprabhu's Lila, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was dancing and singing and recited the one mundane poet slokas, Jog Gomar or slok. Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote the same parallel slok in the mood of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Priya Soyam Sajari Kurukshetra Milita. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu read this slogan. Priya Soyam Krishna Kurukshetra Milita. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Sarup Damodar, how did he know this mood? That time Rupa Goswami says, Sarup Damodar, he told Prabhu, this is your mercy. How this mercy is coming? Because coming from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu invested all his potencies in the heart of Rupa Goswami. Because Rupa Goswami completely, absolutely surrendered to the feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So for this regard, all this mood automatically going this. Harihari Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, Radhika's all mood going towards what? The Manjari. This is the process also. So that means when you one pointed with Guru and Krishna, then automatically that mood will be reflected in your heart. So this is the process also. So this is called Radha Snehadhika or called Radha Mishra. Radha Snehadhika Sakhi is there. How they are love and affection with Srimati Radhika. So this is the highest mood also. So now coming in this way, Lalita Devi, she is the same position of Srimati Radhika. Because Lalita Devi and after 8 Sakhis, they are called the expansion of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika herself manifests. And one mood of Srimati Radhika, that is called 8 Sakhis. Lalit mood, Srimati Radhika's Lalit mood, that is called Lalita Devi. Srimati Radhika's special mood, that is called Visakha. Very nice katha you also. And you read this book also. What is the meaning of Visakha? Vishesh Shakha. Vishesh means special. Shakha means
Branch.
twigs of the
Twigs.
twigs
Twigs
of the
of the tree,
Tree.
of the branch. Twig.
So for this regard, this if one took his name, actually there is the special mood of Srimati Radhika. But Lalita Devi is very important. Because everything is described according to their mood, bhav. Ashtasakis and also explain and Ashtanaikas how their mood also in there. And Srimati Radhika's mood, that is called which mood? Sadhin Bhartika. Sadhin Bhartika Naika also there. 8 types of Naika also there. Heroines. And so Lalita Devi, she is very prominent also. So now coming in this way, how Lalita Devi, she always serves to Krishna Srimati Radhika. She is saying this, just you heard about Lalita Devi Astakam, Rupa Goswami Pad glorified about Lalita Devi. Lalita Devi is so kind also. Jam kam abhi brajakule visvanu jaya. Here Lalita Rupa Goswami Pad explained this way. Read this way. Jam Sapaksha Vipaksha Padavi
7 number brother.
7 Jam Kamapi Brajakule Visavanu Jaya Preksha Sapaksha Padavi Anuruddhamanam Satya Tadishta Ghatanena Kitarthanting Devin Gunoi Sulalikang Lalitang Namami. That is the essence about this sloka. Just in Braj, any Sokh is thinking, when any person is think, yeah, I want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radha. राधा जी की सुखी होने की इतना इच्छा कोई प्रकाश कर ले, सुखी होना तो बहुत दूर की बात है. क्या बोला?
Just manifesting the desire to
Just your desire will come. I want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radha. This was going through the hell. Years of Lalita Devi. Or Lalita Devi, that time, hold her hand and brings to lotus feet of Srimati Radha. How is powerful. Just you think, I want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radha. And this message is sent to whom? Lalita Devi. Send to your, which message?
MSS.
MSS.
SMS.
SMS.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, okay. Just to send to this message. That time no, maybe internet. But now internet very easy. Now internet you can easy. And send to Lalita Devi.
What's the phone number?
You'll need the modem password first.
What is that? She's saying what? Email ID.
But before that, you need the local password.
You need to go to Manjari
You need to go through
This is very confidential.
It's a private email.
This is private because everybody don't want to become the who want? You are raise your hand. You are raising. When you give up all your material attachment, then sorry, I am saying this thing. You want to keep the two souls.
One
In the one
sheet cover.
अब बस एक ही म्यार में तो एक ही तलवार रह सकती है ना, किंतु आप दो रखना चाहते हो, कैसे होगा बताओ? समझ में आ रही कि नहीं? हाथ तो उठा रहे, क्योंकि जब एक आदमी तो भाई एक ही म्यार में एक ही तलवार है, तब हाथ अपने आप क्या हो जाएगा? अब बात सही है कि नहीं है? अभी आपके आप कह रहे हैं जो हम सुने, क्योंकि जब आप शर्त लगा देते हैं तब when condition coming,
you fail.
at that time automatically hand will this is true or wrong? So for this regard, this is email address or password, everything private. Otherwise everybody write and also and only blah 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 blah. If you write something in Facebook, you can see even devotee, non-devotee, stupid, nonsense, rascal, everybody also join and also write blah 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 blah. Even they have no idea what is the meaning of Manjari Bhav, whatever, nothing. Stupid nonsense, rascal. Many rascal people also start to. So for this regard, this password is very secret. Understand? If you want to take this password, so come. Come in here. Adu Shraddha Tatu Sadhu Sangha Vajana Kriya Anartha Vritti Nishtha Ruchi Asakti Bhav and prayer. Understand? This is the process also. Now your hand going down or not? But here saying also this. I am not saying here. Rupa Goswami Pad explains, Jang Kam Opi Brajakule Visavanu Jaya Preksha Sapaksha Padaving Anuruddhamanam. Saddhatadishta Ghatanena Kitartin Deving Guruin Sulolitan Lolitan Namam. Our Lolita Devi says so sweet. And also love and affection. So everybody have to shelter the feet of Lolita. It's very important. And Lolita Devi she give instruction to Srimati Radhika. Understand? He had also say, Dhutte Vrajendratanaye Tanu Sushtu Bhammang Ma Dakshina Bhavakalang Lagavaya Radhe Girang Sinu Hitamitim Sikchayantim Deving Gunai Sulalitang Lalitang Namami. The purport about this word. And when Srimati Radhika did man, then Krishna came and very humble and paid his obeisances to the feet of Srimati Radhika. And saying, hey Radhe, hey, please forgive me. His asking is forgiveness. But Lalit Srimati Radhika's heart is very soft. Very soft. Bali Gopi Radhi Radhi. Bali Samito. What is meaning? Bali means very simple. And every very easily she forgets all the offenses of Krishna. And so for this regard, if you go Vrindavan, every had written the Bali Gopi Radhi Radhi. Srimati Radhika very simple. So, and Srimati Radhika's heart is very soft. Srimati Radhika's heart is very soft. Karunang Kurumai Karuna Varite. Sanaka Sanatana Karunamai Srimati Radhika. Very soft and very compassionate. If anybody little bit crying, then Srimati Radhika, she will give everything. That is called, for this regard, she is called Karuna. So when Krishna crying and also praying his obeisances, but Srimati Radhika, she want to give up her man. But Lalita Devi, she is showing, raise her finger. Dhutte Vajandatana. Hey Radhe, Srinu. my instruction. Now Krishna is very humble. But this humbleness is not real humility. This humility is like snake humility. Snake humility, understand? What is that? You can see a snake when walks. And that time snake also would down. Very humble. A little bit touch its tail, very good. This is the nature of Dhurta. Those who are cunning person, they are externally showing they are very humble. So saying Dhurte Vajnadatana, and he is cunning people. Now he is very humble and saying, hey Radhe, Radhe. Again I will not this offend this. But same offense again and every day is doing. Arey, one day, next day same offense. So he is saying Srimati Radhe, Lalita Devi seed indicates her finger. Hey Radhe, listen to it. Dhurte Vajnadatana Tustu Brahmam. Hey Radhe, and you have to keep your Brahma Bhav. Left wing small, very careful. Because Srimati Radhe is very difficult to keep her left wing small. Understand? But when Krishna is crying, that's when she is thinking, okay, I will give mercy. Forgiveness is the great virtue. Daya Param Dharma. But Lalita Devi is saying, no. Let him too cry. So, he is saying, Dhurte Vajnatan Dustu Bhamam, Maan Dakshamagam. Try to say Radhe. Now everybody blaspheme about you. Why? Because of Krishna. It's to be nonsense. In the eyes of Srimati Radhe. Putting this. Then you have to walk. Srimati Radhika's feet is very soft. As like Dugdha Phenil. Dugdha Phenil, understand? The foam of the milk. Dugdha Phenil dekha ki nahi dekha? As like Srimati Radhika's feet is very soft. A deep dark night, how Srimati Radhika will walk. So you know, you have to practice. Dark night you cannot see anything. Not only this, maybe also rain will come. And when the rain will come, in the path of Braj, many also throw stones. Pebbles is there. How will you walk? So for this regards, Lalita Devi, she put the water in her courtiers and giving training how to walk. Understand? I remember in our Brajamandal Parikrama, once we are going to Durvasa temple, darshan with the Western devotees, they have to cross the Yamuna over the bridge there. Railway bridge there. Understand? Railway bridge that side. 11 o'clock. And hot. That path is completely what? Burning. And when they came in the middle of the bridge, all they were silver.
Burning feet.
They were barefoot. Indian people, they are easy to walk. I noticed that Western devotees, they have no practice.
Barefoot.
Barefoot. They are also they are doing this. They are nice dancing. But cannot go back or cannot go forward. Why I am saying this thing? Because practice. Abhyas. For this regards, Lalita Devi, she is giving training to Srimati Radhika. Hey Radhe, you have to walk on the mud and muddy path you have to come. Many also thrown seed, many also thrown seed there. Indian people, they easy to walk. They are not feeling anything. This is true. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she is called Rajkumari, princess of Vishwanu Maharaj. Vishwanu means Srimati Radhika. And in her life she never walked barefoot. Huh? So for the girl Lalita Devi, she is giving training. Chanchala Jhapi Mandir Children. And this is the Braj song is also.
Tying a cloth on the ankle bells.
And also in the night time when you will go, and that time your ankle bells will be making the sound. What to do? You have to tie it. In this way, also giving that training, many kinds of training. And maybe also rainy season, some snake will come out. They will bite. So what will do? You go to the snake charmer and learn some mantra how to control the snake. You chant this mantra, snake control mantra, then snake will not bite you. So many kinds of training. Lalita Devi is giving training to Srimati Radhika. Lalita Devi's service is a tough service. Lalita Devi is not ordinary.
Covering the body of Srimati Radhika, covering the body of Srimati Radhika with camphor.
That is the Rati Manjari saying. Another service. That is not the Lalita Devi service. Lalita Devi service are to giving the training to Srimati Radhika. Different service and so and but Lalita Devi is one more just I told, that is how she is called Sambhu Ichamani. And morning I told, yesterday I told. And in Braj, that is called, there are two kinds of Safijaj. There are two kinds of their Samandha. One is Samandhatmika Bhakti, and that is called Kamatmika Bhakti. Samandha, according to the Samandha, knowledge of relationships, they serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva. And even Suval Siddham, they serve to Krishna with their friendship mood. That is Sakha, that is called the prominent. Service, that is called the secondary. Nanda Jasoda, they serve to Krishna with their parental mood, Vatsala Seva. This Samandha is the prominent. Krishna is my son. You have two sons, your son and your daughter's son. Just to understand. Have to give prominence to serve to whom? Honestly? Your son and your
Daughter's your direct
sister's son. Okay.
Nephew.
Nephew. And you will serve to whom?
Your son.
Your own son. Why? This is my real son. This is my son. Mine is coming. Sneha coming, Madhu Sneha coming or not? Mamata or another son, she is my sister's son. Sister's son will serve, but give the second chance. No, what is it called? Second
position.
This is your first. Give attention your own son. Then you give the serve to your sister's son. This is the nature. This is true or wrong? So that is why I am saying, because according to everything depends on your mamata. Samandha. So in the same way, Nanda, Jasoda, they serve to Krishna. Why? Krishna is my son. This is coming in this way. So that is means here the proof is this way. That is called Samandha Atmika Bhakti. Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Siddham, they serve to Krishna with their Samandha. Samandha, that is called the prominent. A service coming second. So this, for this regard, this is called Sambandha Atmika Bhakti. Even in Dwarkapuri, queens of Dwarka, they are also served Krishna with their Sambandha. Why? Krishna is my husband. This is the way. Seva Vritti. The first coming is the Sambandha, then is servitual mood coming. So this is the come. Because one sense gratification. Or where this exclusively pleasure for Krishna's sense gratification, Krishna's seva, that is called prem. And that prem is called transcendental divine love. So for this regard in transcendental world, Guru Vrindavan, there are no difference between love and love. Both are same thing. So for this regard saying this, Atmadev, Krishnendra Pradivancha Dare Premo Nam. In this material world, this word come, these were very slang words, degrade words. Degrade words. If you tell to someone you are lusty, you have become very angry. But in transcendental world, Gopis, they use these words to Krishna. You are lusty person. Krishna is very happy. You understand? And this word, this lusty word, who use the only Gopis? You understand? These are things. Gopis can only use this word. Hey Krishna, you are stupid, nonsense, rascal. You are what is called? Debauchee. Look this thing. And no one can say this word. And Krishna is very happy. But the Krishna says, Priyajadi man kari kare bhatsan vedastuti hoite mor hare mor. And when Gopi use this word, hey Krishna, you are stupid, nonsense, rascal. And then Krishna is very happy. In Vaikuntha, Ajodha, Dwarka, Mathura, no one can use this word. And Sita Devi cannot use this word. Hey Ramchandra, you are
cannot think of this.
Lampard cannot use it. Understand? And Srimati Sita Devi, she cannot, but सोच भी नहीं सकते, बोलना तो बहुत दूर की बात. What is the English word?
Cannot even think of such a thing.
Such a word she cannot think of. Yeah, I will tell to my husband, Ramchandra is debauchee. It is impossible. सीता देवी बोली, सीता देवी सोच नहीं सकते, लक्ष्मी भी सोच नहीं सकते ये सब बोलने के लिए. बोलना तो बहुत दिल की बात है. जिया में कभी उन लोग की मुंह में, और गोपियां उनके मुंह में बस है बिल्कुल जैसे ब्रेकफास्ट हम करते हैं ना, गोपियां की ब्रेकफास्ट ऐसी ऐसे जो वर्ड इजी है, नेचुरल है, स्टूपिड नॉनसेंस रास्कल है. And Krishna is very eager to listen these words from the mouth of the Gopikas. Why? Because this type is their love. Everything would be listened who has love with you. This is the depend on these things. Mother Jasoda, she said to Krishna, hey Krishna, I think in previous life you are pig. Then Krishna nodded his head. Yes, my mother. Mother Jasoda laughed. Why? Loving words. So, but Gopis, they use these types of words. Raje prasiddham navanita churam Gopanganam Chadukula Churam Aneka Janamar Shita Papa Churam Churam Agragannam Purusan Namami. Gopi, they use this word. You are thief, Churam. This Krishna is very happy. This is the loving word. So now we coming in this way, just I have to emphasize this one. But two kinds of their love and affection. One is Samandatmika and it is called Kamatmika. Here Kam means transcendental divine love. Though this word little bit low grade word, but transcendental word, this word is what? Highest word. So Kamatmika Bhakti. This Kamatmika Bhakti again divided in two. One is called Sambhog Ichhamai Bhakti, and it is called Tat Bhavichhamai. Manjari is that they are called Tat Bhava Ichhamai. They are only one point is Radha Snyadika, Radha Nishtha. For this regard, that Sukhi is called Tat Bhava Ichhamai. Tat Bhavichhamai. For this regard, Srimati Radhika's all types of mood, everything is what? Automatically reflected in the heart of the Manjari. Why you are saying the Manjari Seva is topmost? Because Manjari, they know the heart of Srimati Radhika. If you want to serve someone, you have Gurudev, he wants warm water, you got cold water. So how would we drink? Seva, service means is what? First you realize the heart of your Istadeva. You understand? And so why we say Manjari, they know the heart of Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Manjari Seva is a topmost service. Why Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are giving so much intense about the Manjari, we want to become Manjari. Because Manjari means they know the heart of Srimati Radhika. But how they know the heart of Srimati Radhika? But Radhika's all kinds of moods manifested in the heart of the Manjari. Ishare Kripale Sahaita Jari Ishar Tattva Bujivarita. If you receive the mercy of Lord, then you can understand. It's simple. And if you not get the mercy of Lord, you cannot properly serve to Him also. This is the process. So Srimati Radhika's all kinds of moods reflected in the heart of the Manjari. For this Manjari, they properly serve to Srimati Radhika. Tamula Arpana Pada Mardana Payo Dana Visaravi Bindarana Mahasali Rupa Manjari Bindarana Mahasali and Sri Rupa Manjari Tadasika Aham Samsare. In a prana prishta sakhi kilatu sankochita bhumika. Rupa Manjari Tadasika Aham Samsare. And in the very confidential kunja, and Srimati Radhika, she is taking rest. If the Lalita Devi, who is very permanent Sakhi, she is the chief commander of all the Sakhis. Understand? She is the chief commander. Even she will want to enter in that the confidential kunja of Srimati Radhika. And outside of the door, Rupa Manjari is there. And then Lalita Devi, she had to take permission from Rupa Manjari. Look this. Though Rupa Manjari, she is the chief commander, she controls everybody. But when Srimati Radhika inside the kunja and taking rest something, and the outside, who is there? Rupa Manjari. Then Lalita Devi, she is taking permission from Rupa Manjari. If Rupa Manjari say no, hey Lalita, this time my Swamini Mr. Srimati Radhika, she is taking rest. You cannot go. So Lalita Devi cannot go. Look at it. So what did these verses explain? Manjari Seva. How Manjari, they serve to Srimati Radhika. So Gaudiya Vaishnava want to have to serve to Srimati Radhika in the mood of Manjari. Manjari Bhav Seva. Manjari Bhav Seva Paddhati. This is the process. Tamula Arpana Pada Mardana Payo Dana Vi Sardivi Bindarana Mahasali. Prana Prishta Sika Kila Sankochita Bhumika Rupa Manjari Dasika Aham Samsrayit. This verse Raghunath Das Goswami. Abhirapalli Padhuputra Kanta Dasa Vilasita Balasavaro Sirupa Chinta Manisokti Sansto Matsanto Durdanto Hoisurastam. Raghunath Das Goswami composed this Sanskrit verse. And my mind is as like galloping horse. Running. Where? In the same mood of Rupa Mundana. Avirapalli Padiputra Kamta Dasa Vilusita Balasavara Sirupa Chinta Munisapti Santo Masanto Durdanto Vayesurastam. So, just I also explain this way. Manjari is Bhav Seva. Or Ashtasaki, their service, Lalita, Visakha, their service. Their service is highest also, this is true. But sometimes Manjari Seva you are very confident. Manjari Seva. So, what do you say? So that is called two kinds of service. Tattat Bhavichamai and Sambhu Vicham. So Lalita Visakha Ashtasami, their mood is called also Tattat Sambhu Vicham. Sambhu Vichamai means it. Lalita Visakha, they are called the same level of Srimati Radhika. For this regard, sometimes they independently, Satantru, they meet with Krishna. And also doing this lila, that is called Keli Tatparjamai Seva. What is it? Keli Tatparjamai Seva. Sometimes Lalita Visakha, they also meet with Krishna doing many kinds of lila. Especially just I tell you, if you go to Brajamandal Parikrama, very close to Nandagaon, one place is called Lalita Kunda. Lalita Kunda's Katha is there. Very nice, beautiful lila is there. And at that time of Jhunal lila is going, swing festival is going on. And that time, Srimati Radhika, she is preparing to meet with Krishna with that the swing. Lalita is Srimati Radhika, she is very nicely. They say that the cloth and Manjaris, they also decorate Srimati Radhika's how she will be sit with Krishna in the swing. And nearby another Kunja, Lalita Devi, she was making one garland for Krishna. Lalita Devi. But when she making the garland, again she also break and again make it. In the meantime, Narad Rishi came. Narad Rishi asked Lalita, what happened? Again and again you making this garland or you making why? Then Lalita Devi, she told, maybe this garland will be too big for Krishna or maybe too short. So for this regard, I am thinking, this is short or too long? Then Narad Rishi told, this is simple, I listen. And Krishna is very close to your Kunda, Lalita Kunda. He is herding the cows. And so I can call to him. Lalita Devi told, oh, Narad, this is very simple way. Good also. Then Narad, he called to Krishna. Krishna came. And in that the Kunja, Lalita Devi's Kunja. And Lalita Devi took the measurement and make the very nice, beautiful garland. And that garland Lalita Devi, she offered to Krishna. Then Narada, very humble, he asked to Krishna, hey Krishna, you give me one benediction. Narada's name is called Narad. Why his name is called Narad?
You can go anywhere.
Anytime Narada can ask any benediction to Krishna, Krishna will never deny. For this regard, his name is called Narad. Rad means stop. Never stop or any desire. For this regard, his name is called Narad. And Krishna always gives this permission to him. Hey Narad, anytime, any benediction you ask, I will give you. And any circumstance, there are no needs. in present anytime. So now Narada told, hey Prabhu, now is good opportunity. But what is that? Now that's the swing, what is called? Jula. Jula, understand? Swing very nicely, decorate, Sotija Devi, decorate, everything is prepared. So just you sit with Lalita Devi. Just 1 second. I want to see this Leela. They will sit with Lalita Devi. Krishna said, my big problem will come. If Radharani will know I am sitting with Lalita Devi, then Srimati Radhika will be angry or not? Because this swing Leela is going on for Srimati Radhika and Krishna. Radhika is prominent. Krishna is secondary. Also, they prepare this Jula and swing for Srimati Radhika. And now, Krishna is Narada is saying, you also now sit with Lalita in this. And now this is very Prabhu, just 1 second. Sit and then watch. Then Krishna said, Srimati Radhika is not here. Srimati Radhika is in her kunja. And understand? She is preparing her saris, preparing their garlands. Ladies always you are.
Taking long time.
Taking long time. Never travel with a lady. Then you will miss your train, you will miss your flight, miss your bus, everything. Even lady will sit on the car and going to the train station or airport. Then after 5 seconds, oh, I forgot my Thakurji.
That's true. Yes.
Maybe sometimes also forget her key. And she has also many responsibilities. Maybe they go, I did not turn out the light. Not the close the didi.
Marge, she never forgets her husband. She never forgets her husband.
So this is problem. If you travel with the lady, they problem with her. These are teaching in the Ramayana. If listen to understand. I am not criticizing the lady, but this is the truth. Ramayana shows this. If Ramchandra would go alone in the forest, very easy to 14 years, and come back.
Trouble free.
Free for trouble. समस्त बाधा से मुक्त हो जाते कि नहीं? आप इसमें समझने के लिए रामायण तो आप पढ़ते हो, रामायण पढ़े कि नहीं पढ़ा? अच्छा बताओ, सीता जी के बोली थे जो तुम 14 साल के वन में जाओ, वो तो था किसके लिए? राम के लिए 14 साल के लिए. अच्छा बताओ, सीता देवी के लेकर गए तो ये बिग प्रॉब्लम आगे की नहीं हुई? सारी चीज देखो, 14 साल में कितना कष्ट मिला. यदि सीता देवी के नहीं ले जाते चलो भाई लक्ष्मण है, पुरुष जाते ठीक चले जाते, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. लक्ष्मण के लिए ठीक है, अकेला कीजिए भाई, ठीक है, दोनों भाई चले जाते. सीता जी के ले जाने की क्या जरूरत है? सीता जी गई तो देखो कितना प्रॉब्लम. सारे रामायण उसमें ही वही सीता जी के लेकर के रामायण होते जाए. और क्या आप बताओ, लेडीज प्रॉब्लम. कहीं भी जाओ लेडी के लेकर जाओ, तुम्हारी सीट दर्द इतना करेगा ना. आज बात भी सही है कि नहीं?
He's trying to get some more.
Very good.
He's trying to get some more.
Ladies become very angry. Always speak the truth or not? You read Ramayana. I have not
go without the lady now.
You had it now. No, he's got me into trouble.
लेडी को लेने जाएगा तो याद नहीं करेगा ये क्या
चलो
ऑर्गेनाइजिंग
ऑर्गेनाइज तुम्हारे पति तो ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं कर सकते हैं क्या? कुछ करेंगे. चलो आप जो बोले आर्गुमेंट तो करो, कोई भी बात नहीं है। Now coming in this way, Lalita, so Srimati Radhika little bit late. So for this year now this is told just to sit with Lalita Devi in this way. Then Krishna seated with Lalita and other Sakhi they are also pulling a pussy there. Jhula jhule Lalita Krishna Vrindavan mein. What is it? झूला झूले ललिता कृष्ण वृंदावन में, वृंदावन में कृष्ण कुंज गोलिन में, झूला झूले ललिता कृष्ण वृंदावन. Now they are swing and now this is left. Now this is coming where? Right in the place of Radhika. And also playing Lalita Krishna, Lalita Krishna. Then Srimati Radhika she asked, hey Narad Krishna, today every day you are singing? Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Samavanamari. Narad Muni Bajai Bina Radhika Ramane, Nam Amani Udita Hoy, Bhakad Gita Sami. Now this is always singing which song? Radhika. Radhi Krishna, Radhi. And now today he is singing Lalita Krishna. So Srimati Radhika asked, now this is today why you are singing Lalita Krishna, Lalita Krishna. Well, I don't know. You can come out from your kunjo. How Krishna is very cunning, stupid nonsense. How Krishna is very not saying stupid nonsense, not this nonsense. How Krishna is very cheater, big cheater. Well, what is that? Then Srimati Radhika she came and she came out of her kunja and saw and Krishna is sitting with Lalita Jhula is going on this. Then Srimati Radhika she did very mad, very angry. Man coming or not? This is a Hetu man. This man is with cause. So Srimati Radhika said, but here all the Sakhis they are waiting for Srimati Radhika. But Srimati Radhika is not come. Then Krishna came in the kunja of Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika became very angry. But Krishna pacified. So he Radhe, this is not my fault. Narad this is so that means here proof they are sometimes Lalita Pisaka. They sometimes independently meet with Krishna. That's Sanskrit word. They say Keli Tatparjamai Lila. Sometimes they meet with Krishna. So for this regard, this types of Sakhi is called, and they are love and affection called Sambhog Ichhamati. So Lalita Visakha, this is Ashta Sakhi they are. And so our Gaudiya Vaishnava there 1.8 and how to serve Srimati Radhika. Radha Sevanishta Radha Sneha Radha Sneha. These are things. So in this way, there are so many leelas in Vrindavan. Radha Krishna Leela is Katha is also. Lalita Devi service topmost and Rupa Goswami Pad in his Grantha explain many Katha is. Bolo Lalita Devi Jai Jai Shri 2 o'clock, you have to take prasadam. Then you will go back to your destination. Again, 5 o'clock. Now what time? 5 o'clock. And the prayer is called
Sanatan Dharma Temple.
the Sanatan Temple. There was a Harikatha. Again will come there. So today is very special and auspicious day. Lalita Devi should give mercy to us. Then we can understand. Lalita Devi's Kunja also is there. Where is Lalita Devi's Kunja? On the bank of Radha Kunda. 8 corners of Radha Kunda. There are 8 Sakhis. Kunja is there. Lalita Devi Kunda name is Kunja's name is called Lalitananda Kunja. Very nice, beautiful this Katha. Just it because today is Lalita Devi Katha. Just it take too much only 2 minutes more. That is on the bank of Radha Kunda. And the bank of Radha Kunda, 8 corners. That is called the Ashtasakhi's Kunja is there. Lalita, Sudevi, Rangadevi, this Kunja is there. And all kunjas are decorated very nice, beautiful people. Different. And if you see the little bit far, this is just one lotus blossom. That is called Lalitananda Kunja, Visakhananda Kunja. According to their name, their kunja also the same. The symbol is there. As like now we are using different countries, there are different flags. In the same way, in the kunja. And how do you know this kunja is Lalita Devi? This kunja is Visakha Devi. The symbol is there, different colors is there. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. The Lalita Devi's kunja and Lalita Devi's dress, everything is also. And if you know more, you can read these books also. How to meditate to Lalita Devi, Lalita Devi's seva, Lalita Devi's meditation, pranam mantra, everything in this book. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, those who are very fortune, great fortune, they will come in the line of Lalita Devi. Lalita Devi gone also there. Understand? Different Sakhis also is there. Yeah, this book also explains in this. And whose Manjari, whose Sakhis belongs to Lalita Devi. And Visakha Devi, whose Manjari, whose Sakhis belongs to. Everything is there. And
Seva, home, parents.
they are there.
Parents.
Everything is also there. And understand? Not so easy to become the Sakhi. You have to know about their name, their husband name, father's name, mother's name. Everything is there. Otherwise, if you enter the residence, then Gopi Vitali beat you. Understand? They will ask. Just to give an example, and I don't know the Western country, India, if you take the in the ICS exam, that they also ask any question to you. IPS examination. Understand? They ask any question. In the same way, if you enter in the residence, then Gopi, they will ask any question to you. And you have to know, or you have to give the proper answer to the question. Otherwise, Gopi, they will bitterly beat you. And if you I don't know this again, they kicked out. So, they will ask, you coming from which group?
Which village?
Understand? Which village? What is the name of the village? What is the name of the your leaders, group leaders, village name? Everybody will ask also. Understand? Just to think, I know my own village name. No, you have to know the village of your group leader. Understand? Everybody have to learn. You are saying, thinking, how to become Manjari and Gopi. This is not so easy. Then you have a lot of knowledge. Otherwise, Gopi Devi Vitali beat you. As like Shivji. Shivji also he got the Gopi form. Understand? But Krishna told, for today I am not happy to perform dancing. But what happened? But if someone also has come unqualified. But you want to unqualified. Then Krishna you can search. Then all Gopi search. Then they saw in the north and east corner. One Gopi sitting is there. Gopi form is there. So Gopi they and Lalita Visakha they ask, hey, what is your name? She does not know her name also. You coming from which village? What is your mother's name? What is your father's name? Husband's name? If you want to become Gopi Manjari, need first you need your name also. Name your father's name, name your mother's name, name your husband's name, Name your mother-in-law's name, everything is good. This is the process also. Not so easy to become gopi. गोपी और गोभी बांध गोभी हो जाओ और फूल गोभी बन जाओ और सब्जी बना कर खा लो. Understand? You have to know everything. Manjari Bhav means this. And your name, Naam, Roop, Gun, Leela, service, everything. And Sivji did not give any answer. Then they withdrew with him and kicked out from the husband. Many people think I am this gopi, that. Hey, Pakoda gopi, Manjari, Pakoda Manjari. Pakoda Manjari, understand? You know Pakoda Manjari? Rasgulla Manjari, Pakoda Manjari, Jamun Manjari. No. Manjari, if you want to become. For this regard, you have to know the 11th mood, Ekadash Bhav and 5 stages. Naam, Roop, Gun, Leela. And Panchadasa, 5 stages. Sravan Dasa, Smaran Dasa, Apan Dasa, Bhapan Dasa, and then Prema Sampasa. Everything have to and before going to Golok Vrindavan, and Gopis, they will give training, everything to you. When you complete training, proper train, then Jogmaya will arrange to go to Golok Vrindavan. This is the process. For this, Bhakti Mohan Thakur says, Palla dasi kari lalita sundari हमारे लैया कवे सिराधिका पदे काले मिलाइबे आगा सेवा समर्पिबे आगा सेवा समर्पिबे आगा सेवा समर्पिबे हमारे लैया कवे सिरूपा मंजरी संगे जाब कवे रस शिक्षा सेवा तरे शिवी शाखा पदे different so they will be training to you also. So first you have before study mantra siddhi. First you understand asana siddhi, mantra siddhi, or different perfection siddhi also. First you learn आसन सिद्धि, मंत्र सिद्धि, साधन सिद्धि, देन भाव सिद्धि, देन स्वरूप सिद्धि, देन वस्तु सिद्धि. After vastu siddhi, then Jogmaya will arrange to go to Golok Vrindavan. Otherwise not. So how many stages of siddhi? 5 types of siddhi. First you understand the asana siddhi. Try to sit one asana. Understand? If you not asana siddhi, how possible the second stage will come? Then asana siddhi, mantra siddhi, different siddhi. You read this book. What is it? Jewels of the Heart. People, they don't know, I want to become Manjari. Hey, Manjari. Chant holy name to now. Even does not know the meaning of Siddhi. Even does not know what is called this, the 5 stages of Siddhi. Hey? Understand? Follow Vrindavan Vihari Lal. अरे फास्ट होता है आसन सिद्धि. पहले होता है एक आसन में बैठ करके मंत्र जप करना चाहिए. जब मंत्र दिया जाता है इसके कहा जाता है एक आसन पर बैठ करके मंत्र जप करो है. आसन इसे कहा जाता है मंत्र कहता है आसन सिद्धि है. आप देखो जो साधु लोग होते हैं ना, है वो एक ही आसन लेकर के चलते रहते हैं। देखना वो लोग है, हम लोग उतने इंटेंस नहीं देते, किंतु जो लोग साधु होते हैं वो लोग एक आसन लेकर के चलते हैं। एक कम्बालू कुछ है वही आसन पर बैठते हैं, दूसरे आसन कभी नहीं बैठेंगे। इसे कहता है आसन में सिद्धि करना करना। और दूसरी आसन होता है जैसे कोई पद्मासन में बैठते हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आसन होता है ना, वो भी आसन सिद्धि कहा जाता है। जो आसन आपके लिए अनुकूल हो, है हिंदी समझ में आ रही है? जो आसन आपके लिए अनुकूल हो वो आसन आपको आसन में, कोई पद्मासन में बैठते हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आसन है कि नहीं, तो वो उस आसन में दो प्रकार रहता है। एक जो हम जो सीट, इसको भी आसन कहा जाता है, एक आसन में बैठो है, और दूसरी है आसन सिद्धि, जो एक आसन में आपको होना चाहिए, इसे कहता है आसन सिद्धि। आसन सिद्धि इसके बाद होता है मंत्र सिद्धि भी कहा जाता है। मंत्र जो जप आदि करने की प्रणाली भी बताया गया, मंत्रार्थ चिंतन, मंत्र अधिष्ठात्री देवता, न्यास मुद्रा, प्रपत्ति, शरणागति और आत्मनिवेदन, ये सब दिखाया गया स्टेप बाय स्टेप। Many people they are not chanting mantras, just receive diksha mantra from guru, even not chanting. How possible to tell to them everything also? Understand? Kotisabhi Mahamuni, thousand be one person will be there. Understand? And I know many also they are not chanting also. Many years they are not chanting Gayatri mantra. So what is the meaning of the asiddhi? Just saying, okay, I received diksha mantra from that guru. If I ask what is the meaning of this, what is the mantra? Even he does not know. Even he does not know the sequence of chanting the mantra. If you chant this mantra, the sequence is not. And Guru mantra, Guru Gayatri, Gaur mantra, Gaur Gayatri, and Krishna mantra, then Kam Gayatri, Panchatattva, then Mahamantra. The sequence. You have to chant this mantra in sequence also. And otherwise, how possible the mantra siddhi will come? So, mantrartha chintanam. And when you chant this mantra, what is the meaning of this mantra? Mantra adhishthatri devata, who is the presiding deity of this mantra? And everything you have to. Because bhakti is not so easy. It's standing there saying, chant holiness, be happy. छोटे बच्चे के काज ना लिखा पढ़ा करे ये गाड़ी घड़े चले. Those who are learning, they are very scholar, and one day they will fly in the sky and do the. Their baby is very happy. Yes, I will go to school. But how practice? So not so easy. Practice everything. And so this is mantrartha chintanam. What is it called? First is called mantrartha chintanam. Mantra adhishthatri devata. When you chant your mantra, you have to meditate that mantra adhishthatri, presiding deities of mantra. Mantra adhishthatri devata. And when you chant Guru mantra, the adhishthatri is the presiding deities of the mantra. Guru Gayatri. And remember the mantra adhishthatri devata. You read this book, Bharsana Chakravarti, that is called Mantartha Devika. What is the name? If you advance your spiritual life, then